To the final scene tomorrow. Jump ball between Dialogo and Mike Cañete.
Okay, for example, back to Mr. Cataro.
Santi Vista with the first possession. Boyos with a three.
No, sir.
Put back by Francisco 2-0. Full court pressure.
Okay, balik muna mga kaibigan sa Burang-Burang Jamaica. Okay, number 16. He's comfortable mga kaibigan, Mr. Santiago. We try to move on 10 seconds set back for
Dialogo in the middle.
Mr. Dialogo. Yes, number 52, Paul. Cataro. Okay, balik sa unang parang subdivision.
Joe Arpoyos to Jorem. Murada pass to Chrysler in the middle. Takes it out to Piroto with a three. To go, rebound by EJ Dialogo.
Okay, this is the ball. Looking to Mr. Ribugan, number 25. Okay, Ribugan is on the ball. Yes, mga bigyan sa akin nakapang sa Mr. Pulias po rito. Okay, Mr. Ribugan, anong gagawin? 12 seconds shot lang. Last time to shoot. No, sir, rebound tayo, number 22. Okay, balik po tayo sa Cataro. 15 seconds on the shot lang. It's not good. Okay, follow-up shot, but no, sir. Okay, Mr. Coliano. Okay, looking to Mr. Yamabia, number 49. Right to Mr. Ribugan, number 25. Sa gilid, pumis ang kami, Mr. Santiago. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Okay, balik po tayo ka number 22. Okay, right to Mr. Puyos. Puyos, libre.
Cañete with a finish and one basket. Para sa Santi Vista Blancas.
Okay, proceed now.
Score 2-1 bonus free throw.
Illegal use of arm and one shot. Break and unit.
8 minutes and 32. Free throw for Mike. 3-point play.
So it's up around 8 minutes and 30.
5-1. 4-point lead para sa Santi Vista Blancas.
Yes, okay, number 25, Mr. Okay, Ribugat, he's in foul. Ribugat sa ilalim, Mr. Dialogo. It's a 2 points, Dialogo. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, Mr. Murata.
Jorem with a three. Rolls it in para kay Jorem with a three.
8 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, Mr. Oh, it's a 2 points winning by Mr. Yamovian. You have 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds shot lang. Murado number 11. Pinapurado hindi pumasok Movian.
Mike with a good pump.
82 points and Movian sa ilalim. 7 minutes and 40 seconds.
7 minutes and 10. 10-5, 5-point lead.
Ribugat, 15 seconds shot down. 10 to shoot. Coliano, number 23. Hindi pumasok. Okay, ko ang number 11 ng BM sa balik po tayo. Kami sa Puyos. Puyos number 99 na Cataro.
Balata, 3! Mabaton!
Okay, mga Vilator, number 49. Vilator. Okay, 15 seconds shot lang. 10 to shoot. Yes, sir. Okay, 2 points.
Murada to Tonton with a three.
Okay, throwing in violation. Okay, time out ang Jamaica.
Ribugan. Full court pressure para kay Poyos.
Okay, 8 seconds violation.
6 minutes and 42, score 7-10. 3-point lead para sa Blancas Santi Vista.
You have 6 minutes and
Ball
42
possession
seconds.
goes to Blancas. Poyos guarded by De La Torre, fake by Catarong. Poyos kick out to Jordan with a 3.
Murada.
Short, rebound by Mike. 2 free throws for Mike Cañete.
Okay, number 22 foul. Substitution. Okay, there you go out and Martin number 42.
First free throw for Mike. Current Rizal Centro Mall MPBL. Former San Miguel Birmen, also Meralco Bulls from the PBA. First free throw for Mike.
Okay, 1 point committed by Cañete.
Second free throw for Mike. 11-7. Second free throw for Mike. 11-7.
Okay,
And the rebound.
That's the number 49.
De La Torre
Okay,
guarded by
he's
Jordan.
on the ball. Okay, yan, ginagulo ni Mr. Morada po rin mga BNSO. Okay, sigat shot na tayo. Mr. De La Torre. De La Torre gusto pumasok, pull-out jumper. Mendoza, Culiado, lumabas. Okay, pop sigat shot lang. Balik pa na mag-win now, sir. Tumama pa sa ring. Okay, yan mga BNSO.
Murada to Poyos.
Tingnan niya ba niya sa labas mga BNSO?
Miranda, big. Pirata, in the middle. Pass.
Now, come on, Mr. De La Torre, number 49. Okay, back to Mr. Lubuga, numbers 25. Okay. Substitution. Okay, so natin, we have 5 minutes and 50 seconds. 7 against 11. We have 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Okay, Morada. Number 11, Captain po kami sa iyan, mga biyan sa ilalim.
Mike underneath. Well, reverse. 13-7.
31 seconds.
Ang mga Blancas Santi Vista.
Okay, Captain sa Morada. 15 seconds shot na.
De La Torre guarded by Murada. Kicks it out to
Time to
Lopez in the
shoot.
corner. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Oliano, wild shot.
No,
Wala.
sir. Okay, balik po tayo.
Morada.
Mr. Morada.
Jordan.
Number 11.
Peralta up top with a 3.
Shot na. Mr. Pandao. Yes, number 21.
First 3-pointer for Anton Peralta. Di kan
Yung 5
pagkakamato.
minutes. 15 seconds shot lang.
De La Torre guarded by Murada.
Last time to shoot.
11 seconds on the shot clock. Progress up top guarded by Mike. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Martel kicks it out to De La Torre short.
Okay, rebound Mr. Ganaro, number 52.
Peralta.
Number 21.
Stop and pop with a 3.
Hindi pumasok. Rebound po
Wala.
tayo.
Sige lang doon. Sige lang doon.
Okay, rebound at number 25. Okay, back to Mr. Robles.
Robles,
the
3.
No.
Rebound by Mike. 7-16. 9-point lead.
Okay, 4 minutes
Para
and
sa
7
Blancas
seconds.
Santi Vista.
14 seconds shot.
Murada handoff. Murada 3.
Okay, Murada. Hindi pumasok. Number 10. Okay, naganda ko sa nakapas-light niya. Kasahid. Okay, pa follow lang yung plus rate natin. Okay, 17 seconds shot lang. Okay, De La Torre. To Mr. Bartel. 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 56 seconds.
Nine 16. Murada.
Oh. Okay, substitution. Last 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Nine against 16. Santi Vista yung naman. Okay, Ribogan. 15
Ray
seconds
guarded by
shot.
Poyos. Maroon versus Maroon. Poyo ay Imuga
Time
fade
to shoot.
away.
Yes, sir.
11-16. 5-point lead.
Last 3 minutes and 22 seconds. 15 seconds shot lang.
Bombo may na short.
Last 3 minutes and 7 seconds. 15 seconds shot lang. Last time this year.
Vamos.
Tena. Okay, number 22 foul, holding. Okay, substitution.
Dagangon, baseline inbound, Guliado. Balik kay Gob.
10 seconds
11 seconds on, shot clock Gob short.
Okay, Campos. Okay, batin sa Manligas. Okay,
It's it out, Tomaga.
Okay, papasok ka pa 14 seconds. Shot lang para mabigyan umatras mula pa mabigyan sa balik.
Campos, offensive rebound.
Okay, 10 seconds shot lang. Mr. Molina, batin sa Manligas. Manligas! Okay, saan po natin para sa next 7 seconds. Okay, Mr. Rimuga, pigan the ball. Okay, 15 seconds shot na po tayo umiyan, Mr. Rimuga. Titingnan mo lang po na makabiyan sa agawan po tayo, Mr. Molina. Okay, ang baba ni Mr. Baga, number 20, Brilliant Star. Okay, Baga.
11-21, 10-point lead para sa Blanca Santa Vista.
11 is 21.
1 minute and 53 in the first.
Okay, Rimuga.
Hey.
Makabiyan sa balik po tayo.
Guliado,
Last time to
stop.
shoot.
Billy Robles with a floater.
Okay,
Wala.
di pumasok. Okay, balik po tayo mabiyan. Okay. Ayan, Mr. Van
Karen.
Miller.
Boom, boom, left, right-handed lane. A 12-point lead. Para sa Blanca Santa Vista.
Okay, 11 is 20.
Martin.
Mr. Martin mabiyan sa tingin mo.
Robert.
Okay, Mr. Guliano. 15 seconds shot lang po tayo. Okay, Mr. President Dadanoy.
Now, brother
10
Damaga,
seconds
10
shot lang.
seconds on the shot clock, Dagangon. Started by Maga,
5 seconds shot
Gabriel
clock.
in the corner with a three.
No, sir, rebound.
Up.
Okay, time out. 11 against 27.
11-27.
Okay, 28.5 seconds, 40
para sa
seconds shot
Blanca
lang.
Santa Vista with 28.5 seconds left.
Okay, Mr. Martin. Looking to Mr. Yamabigan niya.
Robles
10
guarded by
seconds
top
shot lang.
post line on a shot clock.
Robles.
Robles pa rin. Culiano
Time to
with a
shoot.
three.
Guliano, wala pa rin.
Martel, offensive
Mr.
rebound pa rin with a three.
Rimuga! 3 points, Rimuga. Last time.
14-27.
Oh!
13.35 seconds on the shot clock, Maga. Tres.
Okay, dyan po natin po
Give up.
labas sa ating first quarter. Mabiyan po natin ng Split Sound Bonding School.
Up with an inbound. Ray,
Rimuga at number 25. Okay, back to yellow goal. 15 seconds shot lang. Dahil yellow, pinasakay.
Ang gat po dito eh.
Okay. Okay, 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Time for nothing, we have 9 minutes and 47 seconds. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, number Saturday, back to Maga. Maga goes to the ball. Okay, 15 seconds on the center. Back to the number 40, Maga Bogey, final up, shot, Maga Dalabre, Gawin mo po na mabisa ilalim. Tapos sa nagawa ng gulang, 10 seconds shot lang. Mr. Maga, nalipan na naman! No!
Mata. Matare po. Matare, mata. Wala rin ba? Mas ko kayo. Mata. Doon kayo. Bom.
Yes, number 22. Okay, substitution. Okay, number 22, single personal foul. Okay, 1 point. Okay, Mr. Brown.
Second free throw for Ray.
Single throw, pasok pa rin, Mr. Banga. So it's
29-16.
8 seconds.
13 ang
Okay,
lamang
29.
para sa Blancas San
Okay, deal for number 49. Okay, back to Mr. Daniel go. 40 seconds shot now. Okay, back to Mr. Manliguez to Mr.
Baka!
2 points.
Wet. Finger roll.
Okay, cannot be faster than what we had. Yes. 9 minutes and 1 second.
Thirty-one 16. Blancas Santivista up ahead. Maniguez.
Okay, 12 seconds shot now.
Balik kay Daniel.
Mr. Manliguez.
Bumbong wala jumper. Wala.
No, so we don't say nothing. 8 minutes and 53 seconds.
8 minutes and 53 in the second quarter. Remove got guarded by
Okay,
Daniel.
8 minutes and 47 seconds of time. Okay, 17 seconds. Set na po tayo mabigyan niya. Okay, Mr. Duburga. Tingnan po natin mabigyan. Pinagagat Mr. Robles on set. Okay, 10 seconds set na. Mr. Robles. Okay, tingnan po natin. Ilan sa ilalim. Wala pa rin makabigyan masyado po malakas. 5 to shoot. Okay, number 14. Okay, pushing foul. Mr. Campos. Eight minutes and 29 seconds. Balik po tayo sa 14 seconds. Yan lang. Okay, Mr. Tinator Pagbiyan, number 49. Back to Mr. Ribugat, number 25. Okay, 10 seconds. Yan lang. Ribugat, ginamit yung lakas sa ilalim mo yan. Okay. Oh. Okay, number 3, pushing foul. Tusel ang binigay kay Mr. Ribugat. Second personal foul and a CV warning for penalty.
Push
Okay, 1 point. Ribugat. Okay, that year, we have 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
8 minutes and
Okay,
20.
Mr. Manliguez.
Score 17-31. Blancas Santivista with lead.
Okay, ginignan hanggang Mr.
Opo with a three. Tapos the back.
Even 3 points, Mr. Campos. Okay, so natin, we have 8 minutes and 5 seconds.
34-17.
For number 14 and okay, guard on Mr. Manliguez. Okay.
Santivista Blancas with
15
the lead.
seconds shot ng batayan. Mr. Delator po dito mabiyan. Back to the return, Mr. Robles. Okay, Robles po 10 seconds shot ng batayan. Mr. Robles. Tingnan po natin. Iikot nga ba? Tumera. Oh! Kita short man po tayo mabiyan. Mr. Robles po nag-point na left. It's a 2 points. Okay, Robles. At sa natin, we have 7 minutes and 40 seconds po tayo. Mr. Manliguez looking to level. Mr. Campos! No. Okay, Robles on the return. Okay, back to the report na Mr. Delator mabiyan niya. Ang ginitawag kong Drugon, we have 7 minutes and 20 din siga mga Robinson. 15 siga set lang po tayo. Mr. Rumongat sa panpaling inabot ng Ben, Mr. Bata. Ang ginabot ko, anong kawin po dito mga Ben, pinilit sungama.
And one basket para kay Rain Maga. 34-19, 15-point lead.
Masigaw tayo na.
Para sa Blancas Santa Vista.
Substitution. Grabe, nagkapit talaga sa area ng Mr. Maga mga tingin. Yes. Or sa po natin.
Ball is ready go for Maga.
Okay, pasok, Mr. Maga.
3-point play para kay Rain Maga.
Nubian Santa Vista yung lamang Pulino Nubian. Kaya di na po natin. Magbago nga pa yung plan ng Jamaica Pulino. Okay, we have 7 minutes and 10 siga po tayo. Mr. Tilato, 14 siga shot lang. Okay, pili kami sa Rumbugan. 10 siga shot lang. Ribugat mga kuya, okay. Pinahirapan yung kanyang tira. Pagpalik po namin sa Ribugat, bumalik. Wow, it's a 2 points, Ribugat. Okay, 6 minutes and 53 seconds.
Manligas.
Okay, Manligas. 15 seconds shot lang. Okay, back to the Mabian yan. 10 seconds shot lang.
Baila to Arana fake.
5 to shoot.
Short stop jumper scored para kay Les.
Arana.
39 to 21.
31 seconds. Okay, may sa'yo mga bigyan. Di na to.
Mga Blancas Santa Vista.
15 seconds shot lang po tayo. Last time to shoot. Yes, sir. It's a 2 points Dinador. We have 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
39-23, Santa Vista Blancas with the lead.
15 seconds shot lang.
Agad. Pulina with a three. Para kay Arnel.
Okay, we have 5 minutes and 57
42,
seconds.
23, 19 point lead.
Dinador. Di na po natin isalis namin sa Mr. Rodriguez. 15 seconds shot lang. Last time.
EJ, Dialogo,
No,
reverse,
sir,
no
that is a
good.
reverse ball, but hindi pumagat si Mr. Molina. Okay, Manligas,
Manligas.
si Mr. Molina, tapos may tumawian yung
Arnel.
and tumawian, hinanap yung
Takes it out to Baila with a three.
Yeah, no.
Molina.
Sa labas.
Maga,
Okay,
fake.
sikat siya lang po.
Drive.
Mr. Maga sa ilalim, but hey. Okay, lumuhos yung kanyang. Okay. Substitution. Okay, sound. Okay, substitution. Okay, we have 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
42 to 23, 19 point lead. Para sa Santa Vista Blancas, Ray, guarded by Samonte.
Okay, we're good. Okay, go to Mr. Samonte. 15 seconds shot lang. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Yes, sir. It's a 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 2 seconds.
Rob, Naive up top.
Okay, Wayne.
Arnel,
Molina.
Marvin, Ayla, balik kay Molina.
12 seconds shot lang po tayo.
Samonte, fake.
Samonte, mga uwi, papasok.
Samonte, bueno, sa awera.
2 points for Mr. Samonte.
Floater para kay Samonte.
And 43 seconds.
44, 25, 19.
25-44. Okay, Dinador. 15 seconds shot lang. Back to number 14, Mr. Okay. 10 seconds shot lang. Juliano.
Ayla.
Okay, number 30 foul. Holding. And 2 shot yung binigay. Okay, substitution mo na. Okay, warning po penalty, Santa Vista.
4 minutes and 26 in the second quarter.
Okay, 1 point committed by Giuliano. Okay, Molina. Okay, control ball back to the Whining. Whining number 15. Okay, we have 4 minutes and 19 seconds. That is a Samonte number 12. Okay, 14 seconds, Chandler. Molina na naman sa mas mobiyan. 10 seconds, Chandler. Okay, Catano. Okay, kami sa Molina. Sa labas Tumera. Hindi pumasok.
Now you're going to put back.
Okay, 2 points committed by Whining.
46-26. 20-point lead.
Ribugan.
Para sa San Vista Blancas with 3 minutes in the second
Last
quarter.
3 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, Mr. Delator. 12 seconds set now. 10 to shoot. Juliano. Yes, she's a 3 points. Juliano. 29-46. Last 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, Whining. He's got the ball back to Mr. Samonte. To Mr. Whining. 14 seconds set na po na Rubian. Libre Mr. Molina. Binigagad. Okay, substitution. Okay, Dinator Rubian and Team Single number 4. So sa time po natin, we have 3 minutes and 27 seconds.
Samonte, full court pressure.
Okay, number 12 foul. Penalty situation.
Okay naman na.
Penalty situation po tayo. Okay, singa tropa ni Sir Rimugat, number 25. Okay. 1 point committed by Mr. Rimugat. Shorts up po natin. We have 3 minutes and 24 seconds for Kabigan. Okay, Samonte number 12.
31-46. 3 minutes and 20.
Okay, 17 seconds set na po natin.
Ibe up top.
Whining goes to the ball. 14 seconds set na po natin.
Ibe, all the way. Molina, put back. Let's go. 2 rebounds. 2 points and 1 rebound in 1 possession para kay Arnel.
Okay, Rimugat mga biyan. Andyan si Mr. Samonte agad. Okay, Rimugat. Tingnan po natin. Number 25 mga biyan. 14 seconds set na po tayo. Rimugat tumara. Matindi pupasok. Ano po tayo? Robles sa ilalim. Ginamit yung lakas. Wow! It's a 2 points committed by Mr. Robles. Ang saan po natin last minutes ang 44 seconds mga biyan. Yung ating oras po dyan. Okay, Whitey po dito mga biyan. 33 against 14 points. Let's go po dyan. Whitey. Tingnan po natin. Number 50 mga biyan. Okay, tingnan rin dito si Mr. Nataro. Binigay sa labas. Mr. Samonte. 10 seconds shot lang po tayo mga biyan. Samonte. Hindi pumasok ang tangjan.
And 1 basket para kay Dave. 48-33. Blancas with the lead.
Okay, dali lang sir. Okay, this foul. Basket ka po tayo. And number 4 foul. Okay, substitution. Okay, it's up running last minute and 26 seconds for me and so. Okay, time out! Ang bubulang po ng Jamaica.
51-33. 18 points.
Yes, okay, Jamaica. Ang bulang po rin ng Vietnam, sir. Mr. Lopez, dito sa Dadanoy. Ano please, mauwigan na nagawa ng bulang. Tingnan po natin, diretsyon na ba? Okay, Robles. Tingnan po natin, mauwigan. Pinag-agad, Mr. Okay, Juliano. Okay, back-to-back contact, makabigan sa ilalim. Oh! Yes. Okay, number 22 foul. Okay, 1 point committed by Juliano. Short time for another last 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, jersey number 22, second personal foul. Juliano. Okay, hindi pumasok. Balik pa tayo sa kumuna po ng Santi Vista. Kabihin niya.
Ibe. Reisner with a jump shot. Wala.
Kabihin Mr. Juliano. Okay, balik pa tayo. Mr. Robles, number 10. Last 2 minutes po tayo kabiyan sa Mr. Robles. Anong gagawin po dito mga kabiyan? Ayan, sinabis na naman sa ilalim. No! Sumabit agad. Okay, number 43 foul. Okay, substitution. Okay, sub. Kitoriano and... Okay, number 43. Mr. Arana. Okay, di pumasok. Kaya Mr. Robles.
Good, maybe. Robot.
Hindi pa rin.
51-34. 1 minute and 51 in a second. Blancas with the lead.
Hanap yung kanyang dalawin. Back to Mr. Gatoriano. Looking to the Taro. Kung si Kansel lang naman sa sumunti sa ilalim mga biyan. Pinihin agad.
What a pass! Good pass!
Okay, may foul na tayo. Okay, number 11 foul.
Drop.
Okay, warning. Ako pa naman ng Jamaica. Okay, hindi pumasok yung tira ni sa Kanyere.
51-34. Santi Vista Blancas with the lead. Second free throw for Mike.
Okay, Kanyere na si throw. Okay, pasok yung tira.
52-34. 18-point lead.
Number 21, tumamang ito. Okay, tingnan po natin mga biyan. Anong gagawin po dito? Nandiyan si Mr. Raiti mga biyan. So, 15 seconds shot na po tayo. Ay mga biyan nakaagay. Okay, balik po tayo. Tumera agad. Wow, it's a 2 points lead by. Okay, Mr. Ribuge. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Okay, Mr. Gatoriano po dito mga biyan. Gatoriano. Okay, tingnan po natin. Lulusot nga ba? Binigyan kami sa Monte. Sa Monte sa naman. Binigyan Gatoriano. 14 seconds shot na po tayo. Now, nakal po tayo. 10 seconds shot na. 5 to shoot. Tatalo, hindi pumasok. 90 po dito mga biyan. Agaw po tayo. Nakuha ni Mr. Robles na Basan. Okay, Robles, looking to Mr. Santiago. Okay, balik po tayo mga biyan. Long pass play po tayo mga biyan. So balik po tayo Mr. Rubugat. Back to Mr. Number 10. No, sir. Hindi pumasok yung tira Mr. Dadama mga biyan. So balik po tayo. Okay, time. Back to Mr. Gatoriano. Number 9. Sinabayaan sa gina. Oh, it's a 2 points lead by Mr. Okay.
54-36.
Dito po natin 36 against 54.
18 points lead sa
tayo.
Blancas.
Okay, 15 seconds shot lang.
Tulog.
Okay, number 9, pushing foul. Okay, penalty. 25.4 seconds.
War.
25.4 seconds. 36.54. Okay, 1 point Santiago. Okay, pasok pa rin. Okay, 38-54 po ang score. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot lang. 10 to shoot.
The Wapas on
Oh.
one basket.
Okay, humabol pa. Basket count. Number 25 foul. Substitution. 8.6 seconds.
38-56. 8.6 seconds left.
That's 8.6 seconds.
38-56. Blanca Santivista with the lead. 3-point play, 19-point lead. Para sa Blanca Santivista.
5.
Kabayo!
Okay, dyan po natulog yung
Let's go, man!
38 against 57. Okay, third quarter. Third quarter. Samonte to Tigoriano. Okay, back to the system. Okay, Tugataro. 15 seconds shot lang. Puyos. Traveling violation, Puyos. Okay.
9
minutes and 47
score.
seconds.
57-38.
Okay, Ribugan.
Santivista Blancas to the lead.
15 seconds shot lang.
Ray up top, guarded by Poyos.
That's the
Waiting for
shoot.
the pick, Robles at the wing with a 3. Short, rebound by Mike.
9 minutes and 25
9
seconds.
minutes and 25, score 57-38, Quitoriano.
15 seconds shot lang.
Mike, Samonte, guarded by Santiago. 10
That's the
seconds,
shoot.
Samonte with a jumper. Wala, Oliano rebounds.
Okay, Mr. Cataro. Back to
Samonte
Mr.
with a 3.
Yes,
Marvin
sir.
with a 3.
Samonte. 9 minutes and 2
60-38.
seconds.
Blanca Santivista with the lead.
Okay, 60 against 30.
Ray, guarded by Poyos.
14 seconds shot lang.
Billy on the wing, Robles.
Time to shoot.
Martel kicks out to Coliano. Turnover para sa Jamaica.
8 minutes and 43 seconds.
8 minutes and 43. 60-38.
Okay, Catoriano, 10 seconds shot lang. Back to Mr. Samonte, to Cataros. Time to shoot.
Poyos.
Okay, shot lang po Irisha.
Bawi. Nawa sa trap.
8 minutes and 26 seconds. Fifteen seconds shot lang.
Still by
Okay naman Mr. Puyas. Okay, Puyas, back to Mr. Samonte. Number 12, no sir. Okay, receive by Mr. Samonte. Okay, then Ribugan. Okay, back to Mr. Robles, number 10. Looking to Mr. Martel. Basket count and number 9 pounds.
60-38.
One bonus throw by Martel.
22-point lead by Santivista Blancas. Martel, 2 free throws for Lian Martel.
Okay, di pumasok. 60 against 40.
60-40, 20 points lead.
Santivista yung naman. We have 7
Santivista
minutes
Blancas.
and 50 seconds. 12 seconds shot lang. Canyete to Mr. Catano. Back to Mr. Samonte. Hindi pumasok. Okay, Mr. Martel.
Lalambit.
Okay, back to Mr. Santiago. Okay, may foul. Deleser. Okay, number 9 foul. Holding substitution. Third personal foul, number 9. 7 minutes and 31 seconds. 60 against 40. Okay, Mr. Ribugan. 12 seconds shot clock. And to shoot. Time to shoot. Number 52 foul, Mr. Cataro. Second personal foul, Cataro. and 30 foul.
60-40. 2 free throws para kay Santiago. First free throw, no
1
good.
point Santiago. Okay, 1 point. We score Bravo 60 against 42, 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, Cateriano, number 9. Okay, back to Mr. Catalo, number 50, the 14 seconds shot. Back to Mr. Ayam Makabiyan, Kangiele, and Tasir. 5 to 0. Yes, sir. It's 3 points. 6 minutes and 57 seconds.
62-42. 20-point lead.
15 seconds shot clock. Santiago.
What's up, no? You want to tawag Rio?
Okay, number 9. Foul. Okay, warning for resentment of ball, number 9.
62-42.
Okay, warning
20-point
for
lead.
jersey number 9.
Para sa Santi Vista Blancas.
Okay, madam gabi, Honorable Mayor Sir
6 minutes and 42 in the third quarter. Santiago, first free throw, 19.
Warning for
It is down to 19. Second free throw for Santiago.
Okay,
18-point lead para sa Santi Vista Blancas.
Okay, 6 minutes and 40 seconds of time. 60-44. Okay, Mr. Puyas, number 92, Kabiyan Puyas. Tingnan po natin anong gagawin. Back to the number 20, Mr. Ganyete. Okay, 12 seconds set ng Bolaya. Mr. Ganyete, pupukul yan, Kabiyan, wala pa rin. Back foul. Santiago po dito, anong gagawin, Kabiyan, number 16. Lumagasa sa ilalim. Hindi two balls, bibig ba Mr. Santiago? Okay, so po natin, we have 6 minutes and 16 seconds of time. 60-46.
62-46.
Okay, Puyas, number 62. Tingnan po natin, Kabiyan, Mr. Puyas. Back to Mr. Ganyete. Okay. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 to shoot. No. Okay, rebound. By Mr. Bardell. Okay, balik po tayo Mr. Robles. Robles number 10. Tingnan po natin yung pumasok yung Lobian. Oh. 15 seconds shot clock. Okay, balik po tayo Mr. Bardell. Martin Podrugal, last 10 to shoot. Okay, Mr. Alki Coliano. 3 points Coliano. Okay, we have 5 minutes and 37 seconds, 62-49.
62-49. Blancas
Ayun mga
still
bigyan sa
ahead.
bumuhay na po yung okay, we have 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds, set na po tayo. Mr. Puyas, number 90, susubok with down, sir. Ang layo tira.
65-49.
Okay, Santiago, back to Mr. Romilgac, number 25. We have 5 minutes and 40 seconds po tayo.
65-49.
Yes, Romilgac is got the ball. 15 seconds shot clock po tayo mga bigyan sa. Tingnan po natin yung libid sa mo dyan. 12 seconds shot clock. Last 10 to shoot. Imbugan. Okay, nabuhay mula out. 5 to shoot. Mr. Cunyato. Ito pumasok. Okay, substitution. We have 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, 60.49.
4:55.
Santi Vista yung laban.
65-49.
Okay, Mr. Boyles, number 90. Frank de Midaya Obigan. Okay, 14 seconds, set na po tayo sa ilalim. Well, sir, Mr. Baga, is that good? Balik mo namin sa Ribuka, number 25. Hindi na po natin, sinakay Mr. Robles. Nako, binuhay na naman yung dugo. Yes, bucket count and number 30 foul. Illegal use of arm and 1 shot of binigay Mr. Robles.
Focus na. Focus na.
Okay, Robles. Yes, sir, pasok. Okay, bonus po natin. We have 4 minutes and 34 seconds. 65-52. Ang Mr. Boyas. Looking agad makumingan, Mr. Arana. 14 seconds shot clock po tayo. Binigyan kami si Kanjite. 10 seconds shot clock. Okay, Mr. Maga. Okay, Mr. Rizal. Number 25 foul. Yes. Substitution. Okay. Second personal foul. Jersey number 25. Okay, Sampuratin, we have 4 minutes and 18 seconds. 65 against 52 on the score. Okay, balik po tayo, Mr. Baga. Baga, tabi sa Kanjete number 20. Yeah, balik po tayo mag-BNS. 10 seconds shot lang po tayo. Okay, number 10. Mr. Robles. 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Stop.
65-52. Blanca Santivista with the lead. First free throw.
Okay,
para kay
pasok
Dr.
ng tira sa Miranda.
With 4 minutes and 11 in the third. Second free throw para kay Tonton Peralta. 2 for 2
Okay,
for
pasok yung
Tonton.
second throw. Overtime, we have 4 minutes and 11 seconds. 67 against 52. Okay, so pumugat na umiyan sa
Hey, guarded by Malcolm. Maroon versus Maroon.
Okay, 12 seconds shot na. Balik mo sa limungan. Set to shoot.
Hey,
Kunyado.
Kunyado.
Kunyado, gusto pumasok sa ilalim. Mabigat pinilit. Wala pa rin. Okay, nakuha agad Mabigat Gas. Okay, back to the Manligas. Ang top running, we have 3 minutes and 46 seconds. 67-52. Manligas contra the ball. 15 seconds shot na po na Mabigat Gas. Okay, Mr. Baila. Okay, 10 seconds shot na. Manligas. Back to Mr. Piralta. Ang layong tira. Hindi pumasok. But Mr. Guliano receive the ball. We have 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Okay, Robles. We have 67-52 po tayo. 15 seconds shot na. Mr. Robles Robin. Anong gawin po dito? Okay, pull up shot po yung kanyang ginamit. But Mr. Molina. Yes.
67,
Last 3 minutes
52.
and 10 seconds.
3 minutes and 10 in the
15
third.
seconds shot na. Last time to shoot. Mr. Molina. Oh, hindi pumasok. We have 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Okay, Robles number 10 makabiyan. Okay, kinapa natin. 1-on-1. Pero matapos sa foul. Okay. Substitution. Yes, Sam. Okay, substitution. Santiago out.
Baseline inbound.
Last 2 minutes and 48 seconds.
Para kay Ruben Mogan.
on the
67-52. Santivista Blanca shot ahead.
13 seconds shoot na.
15-point lead.
Okay, Mr. Diano. He's down good. Okay, balik po namin sa Rimugan Makumiyan. Umantra sa na. Back to Mr. Bardell. 10 seconds shot na. Tilador. Okay, balik 10 Mr. 5 to shoot. No. 4 seconds to shoot.
4 seconds on the shot clock.
Jamaica.
67-52. Blanca Santivista.
Spider. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, Dilator.
Delator guarded by Manligas. Billy Robles. Underneath. Guarded by Campos. Robles. Delator. Fake.
And to shoot for the Robian Dilator. Let's go, sir. We go for the Robian Mr. Bagan. Looking to Mr. Manligas. Last 2 minutes. Okay, Manligas, 15 seconds shot lang po tayo. Baila number 30, 10 seconds shot lang.
$69.52. Santivista Blancas up ahead.
Billy. Imo.
Manligues. Baila.
Okay, balik po tayo mga BMA sa Tampos, number 14. Okay, 10 seconds shot clock. The spy! No. Okay, 1 minute and 40 seconds po tayo mga BMA sa balik po tayo, Mr. Robles, number 10, nagbabalik ang on. Okay, number 14. Okay, substitution. 1 minute and 35 seconds, 69-52. Okay, 1 point, Robles. Yes, sir. Masuk pa rin. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, Manligues. He's gone to the ball. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. Mr. Maga. No, sir. Rebound po tayo. Nakamit ng Maga, number 23. 10 seconds shot clock. Mr. Maga, dumiritso agad. Okay, traveling violation
1
by
minute and
Maga.
10. Shoutout pala. Kay Senro and Team, Joanne, Mama Minda, Jovi and Robbie. Shoutout po sa inyo galing kay Boss Jivan Evangelio of Santa Vista Blancas, owner of Santa Vista Pacific Resort. Shoutout po sa inyo ha. What's up? Shoutout na ko Senro and Team, Joanne, Mama Minda, Jovi, Rook and Ruby. Gikan kay Boss Jevan Evangelio, owner of Santa Vista Pacific Resort. Score 69-54 with 1 minute and 10. Blanca Santa Vista up ahead. 1 minute and 10 in the third quarter.
Okay, number 10 foul.
Call tayo, call na. Mama Minda, Jovi and Ruby watching live. Gikan kay Boss Jevan Evangelio, owner of Santa Vista Pacific Resort. Shoutout po sa inyo.
Okay, 1 point, Maga. Okay, Dilator, number
71-54. Blanca Santa Vista up ahead. Dialogo. Last 1 minute, seconds to play. Dialogo underneath. Fouled by Arnel. 71-54, 17-point lead para sa Santa Vista Blancas. Foul on
Okay, number 20
Arnel.
foul. Okay, number 30 is. Third personal
No
foul.
free throws for EJ Dialogo.
Okay, 1 point, Dialogo.
71-56. 57.2 seconds left in the third. Second free throw for EJ Dialogo. 2 for 2 for
Okay, pasok
EJ.
po rin yung tiro ni Mr. Dialogo.
71-56.
Okay,
15 points lead
5 seconds.
para sa Santa Vista Blancas. Baila up top, guarded by Marcel. Back to Manligues.
Mr. Manligues.
Darrell. 44 seconds, 10 on the shot clock.
And Mr. Tampos. 5 to shoot.
Ball turnover.
Okay, 37.7. Last 37.7.
37.7, 71 to 56. 15-point lead para sa Santi Vista Blancas.
Last 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock.
30 seconds left.
Last time.
10 seconds. Dialogo. 2. De La Torre.
Last
Banza.
2 points.
Last shot.
Last 17 seconds. Last 15.
13 seconds left. End of third.
Last time.
10 seconds. Darrell. Maga.
5.
Maga with a 3. Maga from the corner.
Okay, shot.
48.
Okay, fourth
Start
and
of
final
the
quarter. Okay,
Start
so
of the fourth quarter.
Okay, Santiago number 16, nasa na base. Okay, Delator, kinuha yung bola agad pag-PM ni Sir
Start of the fourth. De La Torre.
Okay.
Guarded by
Balik ko tayo kami sa
Rodriguez.
Delator.
Nilagyan ko na po kung tingong pa yun.
Okay, 15 seconds shot na.
Subidia.
Kumusta, Mr. Dialogo? Okay, number 17. Yes. Second personal foul, jersey number 17. Okay, 1 point.
74-59. Second free throw for E.G. Dialogo. 6.
Okay, 1 point.
60-74. Leading down to 14.
Okay, 14 yung malaman po dito.
14 point lead para sa Blanca Santi
9 minutes
Vista.
and 40 seconds pa po
9
tayo.
and 41 on the fourth.
Okay, Billy, na number 17, ang 14 seconds set line. Last time to shoot.
9 on the 10 on the shot clock. Maniguez.
5 seconds to shoot.
Campos jumper. It's
Yes, sir.
good.
Campos is at 2 points.
76-60.
9
16
minutes
point
and
lead.
22
76-60.
Okay, Mr. Dela,
16 point lead.
Okay, stop the
Para
ball.
sa Blanca Santi Vista. Bagay.
10 seconds shot clock.
9 on the shot clock. Dialogo.
Okay, number 17 foul. Okay, third personal foul, number 17. 9 minutes and 7 seconds.
9 and 7.
6 against 16. Okay, sa tayo na po sa ilalim. Kumara, wala pa kawiyan sa loob po tayo. Okay, na po agad kawiyan sa una po ng Santi Vista. Okay, Mr. Manliguez. 15 seconds shot clock. Molina, libre-libre. Time to shoot. Oh.
$76-60, 16-point lead. Para sa
Okay,
Blanca
foul.
Santi Vista.
Number 22, yes, holding, and number 17 is a double foul. Okay, Santi Vista ball stop. Warning for foul out, Mr. Molina, number 17.
8 minutes and 46
Okay,
in the
8 minutes
fourth.
and 46 seconds.
76-60, 16-point lead. Para sa Blanca Santi Vista. With 14
Okay, number
on the
22,
shot
third
clock.
personal foul. Okay, Manliguez. Back to Mr. Molina. 12 seconds shot clock is. Okay, 8 minutes and 43. Substitution.
Gilang. Full court pressure.
Okay, Delator, number
Para sa Blanca
49.
Santi Vista.
Okay, Garfan si Manliguez.
Delator.
Okay, Delator.
Sabay lang.
15 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Bolaro balls turnover para sa Jamaica.
8 minutes and 27
Ball is now with
seconds.
the Blancas
Turnover.
Santivista. 8 minutes and 27 score, 76 to 60, 16-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas.
8 minutes and 27 seconds, 76-60.
Maniguez.
Okay, Mr. Candiete, number
Candiete
22.
up top, Baila.
Okay, back. 15
Cañete.
seconds shot clock.
Mismatch. Foul on De La Torre. Bugaya.
Okay, number 49, foul.
8 minutes and 16, 76 to 60. 16-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas.
Last 10 to shoot.
Maniguez.
Manliguez.
Maga 3.
Yes, sir.
Maga with a 3. 79 to 60.
Last
Lead
8
is
minutes
back
and
to
2 seconds.
19 points. Santiago Carpetagos. Santiago
15 seconds shot clock.
calling for isolation. Colgado with a 3.
Puliano, 3 points. 79-63. Santivista yung luman. 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Okay, Manliguez. The Air Lions. Sumalot ng yung inamot. Baliwan namin number 49.
Culiano.
Culiano. Tingnan po natin. Along Gomez. Manliguez Dialogo. Looking kami sa Santiago. Santiago pinilit yung tira. Sumalot.
Okay.
Okay, number 14 foul, pushing foul, substitution. One of penalty, okay, stop. Okay, jersey number 14.
79 to 63.
79-63.
Blancas up ahead. Santiago first free throw.
Okay, 1 point.
7 minutes and 26. In the fourth quarter, Santiago second free throw para kay Santiago.
Okay,
65, 79.
79-65.
Lead is back to 14.
7 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, Puyas. Back to the second getting. 14 seconds shot clock. Time to shoot.
De La Torre. Ball 7 minutes and 9. Score 79 to 65.
Okay, number 49. Substitution. Okay, pulang ngayon ng Santivista. Okay, Puyas. Back to Mr. Arana. Arana, number 40. Binigay sa ilan. Labas na naman, Mr. Baga. Hindi pumasok. Rebound pa rin Lugo. Okay, you have 7 minutes po tayo.
79-65, 14-point lead para sa Santivista
15 seconds
Blancas.
shot clock.
15 on the shot clock.
Okay, number 23, holding penalty situation. Substitution. Six minutes and 51 seconds, 79-65. Okay, 1 point, 3 Mughal.
Awila, convert na ta, go. Convert na,
Okay,
convert
that's
na.
good.
66, 79, 13-point lead.
6 minutes and
Para sa
41
Blancas
seconds.
Santivista with 6 minutes and 43 in the fourth.
Candiete, 40 seconds shot clock. Time to shoot.
Tarong block by Culiano.
Last 6 minutes and 30
Dialogo
seconds.
kicks it out to Rimugat. Rana rebound, Hoyos.
6 minutes and 24 seconds.
6 and 24 in the fourth.
Okay, malaki po ang oras mo natin. 15 seconds siya na.
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Last
Hoyos.
time to shoot.
And on the shot clock. Ataro.
Five.
Arana, 3.
Now, okay, rebound mo sa Santiago. Okay, Santiago kontra goal number 16. Okay, balik mo tayo, okay, ang Mr. Robles. At ang isa ilalim, tingnan po natin, pinilit, wala pa. Ay.
Grabe tawag. Uy.
Yes, number 22 foul, pushing foul. Jersey, number 22, warning for foul out. Warning for penalty.
5:54:79 to 66.
5 minutes and 49 seconds.
Coach.
15 seconds siya na.
15 on the shot clock, Hoyos. And the back.
And to shoot.
And on the shot clock, Hoyos pa rin. With a 3.
Now,
Lord, Juliano with the rebound.
Brandon Del Rivera, number 25, Pas Tribunayos.
Yeah, control the ball.
Okay, 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Baseline inbound for Billy Robles.
Okay, will be in the yellow ball, number 22. 15 seconds shot clock. 5 minutes and
Robles. Juliano with a 3.
Okay, so 3 points. Last 5 minutes and 19 seconds.
69-79. Lead is down to 10.
10 points na lang.
5 minutes and 16.
Okay, 15 seconds shot na. Gataro.
Relax lang.
That to shoot.
Penalty. Go.
Okay, number 10, holding foul. Penalty situation. Okay, warning, jersey number 10. 5 minutes and
5 minutes and 2:79-69, 10-point lead. Para sa Santa Vista Blancas, 2 free throws for Dave Arana.
Okay, 1 point, Arana.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 2 in the fourth. Score 80-69, 11-point lead. Para sa Santa Vista Blancas, second free throw for Dave.
Okay, goal pa rin.
Para kay Dave Arana, 81-16.
Okay, Gugliano, Ribuga, number 25.
81-69, 12-point lead.
4 minutes and
Para sa
55
Santa
seconds.
Vista
15
Blancas,
seconds shot lang.
4 minutes and 52 in the fourth. 3.
And to shoot.
Short. Arana with the rebound.
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
4 minutes and 40, 81-69. Blancas sa
14 seconds
up
shot
ahead.
Oh, offensive foul. Number 52. Okay, third personal ball, jersey number 52, Catano. 81-69. 4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Grabe tawag dre. 4 minutes and 33 in the fourth. Santiago inbound. Robles.
Okay, Robles. Nakahilo.
Kapik by Maga. Robles pa rin.
Seconds, Seta.
Grabe lukol mo. Come out.
Okay, timeout, Santa Vista.
31-69.
Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
81. Vista Blancas up ahead with 4 minutes and 20. Full court
Okay, Puyos na
pressure.
Santa Vista. Okay, Puyos. Darban is every movement. Okay, Puyos is counter ball. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 to shoot. Okay, we are carrying the ball. Okay, 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Stop.
Stop. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 81-69.
Upaw na.
Okay, Robles. Back in the Ribuge.
Upaw na, upaw.
Okay, 4 minutes. Sinabutan makapigyan sa ating oras.
4 minutes.
Okay,
In the fourth.
Ribuge.
Maga, Maga, joined by Maga.
Last time to shoot.
Dialogo against Catarong.
Hard to shoot.
Pas Dylan! Dylan yun! Pas Dylan!
Okay, we go whistle by our referee. Okay, number 52 foul. Illegal use of arm. Warning for foul out and penalty situation.
Aro to.
Okay, 69. Yes, 70 against 81.
81-70.
Nakikisa na lang yung kalabangan po ng San Divisnan.
11-point lead. With 3 minutes and 44. Gain of 4. Dialogo second free throw.
Siyan throw. Pasok pa rin. Balik sa 10 yung kalabangan.
10-point lead para sa
Okay,
Blanca San Vista.
Siyan po tayo makabiyan sa ating oras. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez. 15 seconds shot na.
3 minutes and 31, 81, 71, 10-point lead para sa Blanca San
That's
Vista.
5.
Anyete with a floater, 12-point lead para sa San Vista Blancas with 3 minutes and 20. Santiago to Dialogo up top and off to remove. 15 on the shot clock. Remuga to Santiago.
Last time to shoot.
16 out, Juliano. Billy with a three. Wala. Cañete with a big rebound.
57 seconds.
Convert na. 2 minutes and 55.
15 seconds
81, 12-point lead.
Okay, look lang po sa plus line.
Para sa Blanca San Vista.
Last time to shoot.
Rodriguez then on the shot clock. Darrell.
Last time.
Maga, jumper. Let's go!
With the 2 points.
Lead is back to 14. With 2 minutes and
Last 2 minutes and
37
35 seconds.
in the fourth. 85-71, 14-point lead. Remogan.
15 seconds shot na.
Dialogo
Dialogo.
against Chrysler.
Last time to shoot.
Steal. Ball out of bounds. Bola ngayon para sa San Vista Blancas.
19 seconds. Last 2 minutes and
2 minutes and 19 with 14-point lead para sa San Vista Blancas score. 85-71.
Last 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
2 minutes and 19, 85-71, 14-point lead para sa San Vista Blancas. Inbound para kay Chrysler Catarong.
2 minutes and 17
Anana.
seconds.
Foul by Santiago.
Okay, number 16, pushing foul.
Mike.
Okay, manalo po dito mga kaibigan. So, nakita na po ito po ng Got the Boys for Tomorrow Finals. And before yung finals po natin,
86-71.
Kung sino yung manalo po dito, okay, nagahintay yung pupunan po
With
ng
2 minutes and 15.
Last 2 minutes and
15-point
15
lead para
seconds.
sa Blanca San Vista. Second free throw for Dave.
Okay,
16-point
1 point.
lead para sa Blanca San Vista. 16-point lead. 86-71.
And 10 seconds.
87-71. Santiago.
15 seconds shot.
Dialogo against Chrysler.
Last time.
Short.
Santiago. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
87, 71, 1 minute and 46 in the fourth quarter.
Last time. 5 to shoot. 2 points.
89, 71,
1 minute and 35 seconds.
1 minute and 35. Aliado 3, short. Put back by Santiago, 73, 89.
1 minute and 25 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10. 5. 1 minute. Yes, sir. He's a 3 points, Santiago. Last 57 seconds.
57 seconds, 89, 76. Namangyapo ng Blancas, Santivista.
Last 15 seconds. Last
Kita-kita
10
pa, finals
seconds to shoot.
against Canto Boys, 6 p.m.
5.
Live Yapon na rin sa Blancas. Finals bound, Santivista Blancas against
Shot clock
Canto Boys.
violation. Last 29
Ugma
seconds.
sa gabi. $89-76.
Last 20. Okay, congratulations. Okay, ang maglaban bukas mga bigyan sa championship game natin. Santivista versus Canto Boys. Okay, sa ating fighting for third, mga bigyan ito pupunat po ng okay, Jamaica versus Jaya for tomorrow game. Okay, maraming salamat. God bless you all. Inoogit na tunay ang mahimaya. God bless.
Shout out, boss! At saka sa asawa niya, kay Madam Shirley, sa Sanin.